Hey creators, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up a digital product in your creator store. Let's dive in. To create that digital product, we're going to go in on our left menu. We're going to select store and then products. Once you're there, you're going to head over to the right side and select new product so that we can go ahead and add that digital product. Now, a digital product in your creator store is anything you're offering to your audience as a downloadable item, like an ebook, guides, printables, anything that once your customers purchase it, it can be accessed instantly is a digital product. So let's go ahead and get started with creating that product. So you're going to begin with your general information. You can start with adding the title of the content you are selling. In this case, I'll leave digital download. You can then go in and add a custom URL. This is for all of those creators out there who are selling their products by link. You can also choose to do this if you're not doing this currently. This is just a way to customize your link and to give your customers access directly to the product. Then you can move down with adding the description and overview of your content. We do have a template here for you that you can modify to your needs based off of your business and your brand, or you can go ahead and remove this and add anything that you need. You can also use our AI writer where you can just add a couple of words or a short description of what you're selling, and that tool will go ahead and take care of the work for you. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and upload your content thumbnail. This will attract your customers to your product. You can upload something you already have on file, or you can feel free to use any of the images that we have here. You want to make sure you edit that image so that it is displayed as you would like it. You're going to select done. And once your content thumbnail is uploaded, you can go ahead and add your pricing or put the product on sale by toggling this here so that you can go ahead and do that. Once you're done, you want to be sure to hit save and continue. From here, you're going to go ahead and upload your digital download. You want to be sure to make sure that your correct content is uploaded to your product, as soon as you publish this product, your customers will have instant access to that content. So to upload that content, we're going to come in here. We're going to add the title of our content we're selling. We're going to add the description of the content that is uploaded, as once the customers are downloading this, this is how they will see the title as well. I'm going to add my test image in. And from here, I will be able to preview the image or the content that I am uploading just to confirm that this is exactly what I am looking to sell to my customers. You can upload more than one image as you need it just by continuing to add upload. Once you're done with that, you want to be sure to hit save after you have confirmed this is the correct content that you want it to upload. And then from there, you are done. If you ever need to go back to visit your content or update your product, you would just come back into the product, select edit details, and come back over to the content material tab so that way you can upload your content as needed. Always clicking save to continue. Once you are done uploading your content, you can go ahead and head over to the additional information tab so that you can add your coupons, custom questions, add a message to your custom confirmation email, rating, testimonials, and connect Zapier if needed. Once you're done with that, you select publish. You can add as one block or as a part of a carousel if you have multiple digital products or multiple products under one category. And once you're done with that, you will hit continue. It will then take you to your appearance of your block so that you can modify that as needed to match with your content thumbnail or just your overall brand. In this case, I'm going to use our featured left appearance as it shows the image nicely. Once you hit save, you are all set and your digital product is now set up on your store. If you have any questions, Feel free to reach out to our team on our Contact Us page. Happy creating!